हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल राइड ऑन टू व्हील्स। आज हम रिव्यू करेंगे यामाहा की 4 बाइक्स जो कि लेटेस्ट लॉन्च हुई हैं BS6 मॉडल्स के बारे में। यामाहा FZS25, MT15, R15, FZFI, इन्हीं बाइक्स के बारे में आज हम रिव्यू करने वाले हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Our first bike for review is Yamaha FZS25, which is launched in 2020 with BS6 compliant engine, comes with detailed and aggressive looks, updated LED lights and extra features. A 249cc air-cooled SOHC 4-stroke single-cylinder engine and a trusted fuel injection technology for better performance. You can see the pics of engine, a detailed look and a stunning adventurous look. Class D bifunctional LED headlamps, LED daytime running lamp for riders easy adventurous rides. You can see the pic of LED lamp, multi-function negative LCD instrument cluster which has trip meter, engine indicator, real-time mileage indicator, which is better for the comfortability of rider and best for long route rides. Engine cut-off switch. This does not allow the bike to start until the side stand is detected, which is a safety feature for riders and makes the bike very comfortable to ride, so that there is less chances of any accident. FZS25 is a lightweight bike with weight of 153 kg, which makes the bike easy to handle and easy to control for the rider. 7-step adjustable monocross suspension, which gives riding comfort to the rider, mass centralization of the bike, stability in the bike and adventurous for the rider as well as for the pillion. Dual channel ABS, front with 282mm and rear with 220mm, which is better for precise braking, easy to handle the bike even in the high speed and makes the chances of accident lesser. Brush guard, it protects the rider's hand while riding in tough terrain, and it also gives the rider the confidence to ride the bike easily in the tough terrain. You can see the look of which it gives. So a long visor, it protects from the insects, gravel, dust, and it tears the force of air while riding in the highways and gives better riding comfort. FZS25 comes with wheel of golden color, which gives the bike a sporty, adventurous, aggressive look. So you can see the front tire, how aggressive it looks. The bike comes in matte green, white and blue color. Undercowling, it gives adventurous look to the bike, protects engine from the mud and dirt, adds sporty look to bike. Midship muffler cover, it gives impression of sharpness, compact look and protects the pillion feet from heat. You can see the rear ABS of the bike. Ex-showroom price in Delhi of metallic black color is 1.52 lakhs and ex-showroom price of racing blue color bike is also 1.52 lakhs in Delhi. Leg guard protects rider and pillion at the time of crashing, and leg guard can be easily purchased and fitted in the bike from any showroom. USB charger, it is added feature provided by the company in the BS6 bikes. It provides the rider for easy access of the gadgets they carry. Bike cover protects bike from dirt, water and can be easily purchased from the showroom, and it is of high utility. Seat cover helps in protecting the original seat of the bike and protects from any cut, water and dirt. Tank pad can be embedded in bike's tank from any showroom and which protects the bike's tank from scratches while riding the bike. So friends, hope you like this 250cc FZS25 bike, and for any detailed information do visit the Yamaha website. Yamaha MT-15, an ultra lightweight bike with 155cc engine, and the bike is launched in 2020 with BS6 compliant engine. It has agile handling in the bike, wide handlebars, ultra lightweight, and which gives the bike better stability. You can see the detailing in the tank given by the company in MT-15. BS6 compliant FI technology engine, which is a 155cc capacity LC4V engine with high power capacity. You can see the high detailing given in engine by Yamaha for the riders. VVA, variable valve actuation. It provides engine with a high torque capacity even at low RPM, and rider can switch between each other at the 7400 RPM. So VVA, variable valve actuation. Assistant slipper clutch. It provides rider for the better shifting of the gears, and 6-speed transmission gearbox in MT-15 is there. So you can see the front tire disc brake which has ABS functionality. MT-15 comes with highly aggressive and sporty headlamps. Multifunction negative LCD instrument cluster. It provides an info to the rider related to fuel in the tank, trip meter, engine indicator, real-time mileage provided by the bike, and it is useful for rider in longer rides. Delta box frame. Delta box frame is very useful, which gives rigidity, balance, and provides better quality in tough terrains. Uni-level seat with grab bar, which offers better riding position and easy leg reach to pillion rider and better grip to the pillion. Tail lamp in MT-15 is aggressive and sporty. MT-15 has 140 mm super wide rear tire for better grip and confidence while on road. So you can also see the rear tire view of MT-15 and the rear ABS disc brake. Inbuilt side stand engine cutoff switch. It is there in the bike to make the ride and the rider safe. So rider can be assured even in the immediate bike rides and retract the stand. Yamaha R15. It comes with BS6 compliant 150cc VVA engine. So you can see the racing instinct which is being passed on by the R series DNA. R15 has muscular tank, aggressive looks, edgy tail, and is a next gen 155cc super sporty bike. R15 has BS6 compliant 155cc LC4V SOHC fuel injected engine, which gives bike 18.6 PS of power at 1000 RPM and provides 14.1 Nm torque at 8500 RPM. Variable valve actuation provides a high torque at low RPM to the bike. 6-speed transmission gearbox is there to cruise at low RPMs in high gears and saves the fuel. Assistant slipper clutch helps the rider to shift the gears easily. Dual channel ABS, which provides great performance with superior control in the bike. 282 mm front and 220 mm rear disc brakes with ABS, which helps in braking even in high speed without locking of the wheels while riding. Delta box frame for excellent rigidity in the bike and balance and high quality riding in tough terrain. Aluminium swing arm provides optimum balance in the bike. And side stand engine cutoff switch. It is an unintentional engine start so then it prevents the engine to start until the side stand is retracted to make the ride and the rider safe while riding the bike. Aerodynamic LED tail and headlight, which offers efficient lighting even for night rides and makes the ride safer. You can see the aggressive look of the lights in R15. Multifunction LCD instrument cluster with gear shift indicator, which has VVA indicator, gear shift indicator, fuel indicator, engine indicator, oil indicator, and side stand indicator. You can see the cluster in the video. Dual horn in R15 is for thrill experience, for making the difference between seen and noticed, and it delivers high decibel volume. 140 mm wide rear tire for better grip in corners, superior shock absorbing for better comfortability of the pillion and the rider. You can see the pic of the rear tire, the broadness of the tire, width of the tire. 20 mm lower passenger seat for comfortable pillion position with ease of access and during the long rides as well. Seat cover is there to protect the bike seat from scratches, dirt and water. Tank pad can be embedded in the bike's tank from any showroom so as to protect the tank from scratches while riding the bike. Frame slider, it is there to protect the fiber parts in the bike during any crashes. Skid plate is there to protect the engine from any dirt, mud, water, dust. USB charger is there in the bike so as to charge the mobile and any other gadgets, and it can be useful during the long rides. Daytona muffler, but it can only be used at racing circuit by the rider and not anywhere else. Yamaha FZ-FI, it has 149cc BS6 compliant engine and it comes in two colors, dark night and metallic red. The engine generates max 12.4 PS power at 7250 rpm and 13.6 Nm of torque at 5500 rpm. Bike has single channel ABS and the ABS provides better stability and controls at all the speeds and without locking up the wheels while braking hardly. You can see in the pics the front ABS brake. A 149cc powerful fuel injected engine which is air cooled 4/2 valve single cylinder engine, a blue core engine. So you can see the sharpness in the engine of Yamaha FZ-FI. Negative LCD instrument cluster. It has digital speedometer, bar style tachometer, fuel gauge indicator, trip meter, odometer, eco indicator, and which is better for more fuel efficient riding by the rider. Comfortable 2-level seat. Bike has comfortable 2-level seat for better comfort while long rides, both to the rider and the pillion. So you can see in the video the 2-level seat which is very comfortable for rider and pillion. LED headlight provides better visibility over wide range for the rider and wide range even during the night rides and long rides as well. So better light projections, separate bulb for high and low beam. 140 mm wide radial tires which offers low rolling resistance and deliver great fuel economy and good grip while riding. Monocross suspension is there for excellent shock absorbing capability and performance and good feeling of stability during braking. Rear suspension is lightweight and it is best for mass centralization and good balance while riding to the rider. Advanced midship muffler cover. It is there for mass concentration, weight reduction of bike, shorter length, and it protects pillion feet from heat from silencer and it gives impression of sharpness to the bike. Undercowl is there to reduce mud and dirt splatter and to protect the engine from it. It gives the bike a sporty look and you can see the pic of it in the video. The ex-showroom price of FZ-FI in Delhi is 1,01,700 of metallic black color bike and same price of racing blue color bike, deep purplish blue. Tank pad can be embedded in the bike's tank so as to protect bike's tank from scratches while riding by the rider, and it can be purchased from any showroom of Yamaha. Skid plate is there in the bike to protect the bike's engine from dirt and it protects the bike engine while any crashes, and from dirt also it protects. So rear footrest, it is there for the pillion for comfortable foot resting and to protect the feet of the pillion in any crashes. USB charger, it is in the bike to charge the devices of the rider at any time, and it is best accessible and utilized while at the time of the long rides. Graphic set, you can see the accessories which such as graphic set which can be easily availed by the rider from the agency of the Yamaha. Engine guard can be purchased from the showroom so as to protect your bike from any scratches, from any crashes if happens. Seat cover is there to protect the bike's original seat from dirt, water, scratches, cuts if any happens. These all can be purchased from the agency. So hope you like SZFI.